Welcome to Worth It Reviews. Today we'll be looking at Canon RF 24-50mm F4.5-6.3 IS STM. And this lens is for Canon full frame and crop sensor cameras. Weighs only 210 grams. The lens is 58mm at the front element. And it does not offer weather sealing gasket at the back. It's made out of plastic and it retracts and unfolds like this. It's a very strange system. We've seen it on EFM bodies back in the days. This lens has image stabilization and offers 4.5 stops of image stabilization, which is very good for what this is. You can also change how the front control ring works. Over here you can use it for focus or control, and you can perhaps control aperture or something else you decide. The autofocusing speed is reasonably good, but the image quality is nothing special. Canon uses a lot of electronic correction for this lens, just like they do with the 24-240mm lens. Also, the aperture is very dark, starting at f4.5, and you can't really get any decent autofocus backgrounds with this lens. And this is the zoom range of the lens. Image stabilization off, and now on. And here are some of the photos I managed to take with this lens. So what would you use this lens for? I think this lens is good for gimbals and just maybe a street photography or stock photography and videography. Also perhaps if you want to travel very light. Canon's other offerings I think are a little bit better. The 24-105 F4.5-6.3 at least gives you the telephoto end. Also the 24-105 F4L lens, which has much superior image quality. So is this lens worth it? I would give this lens 3 stars out of 5 because I think there are much better options. Unless you want to keep everything very small, I would avoid this lens altogether. Anyway, if you still want to purchase this lens, I've included affiliate links down in the description. It won't cost you anything more, but it would make a difference to this channel. Thank you for watching.